I told you the last time we spoke that PDP is in our DNA. So even if we are not even campaigning, the people of Delta will always look forward to the direction of PDP. And so what you are seeing here is an example of an organic crowd. Our people coming. You saw how difficult it was for you to come in. More than 2 kilometers from here, you could see the people struggling to gain access into this arena. So those who are talking should know that in Delta, we are very highly articulated. In Delta, we can assure you that we hit close to 1.5 million very genuine votes. And that will represent even less than 50% of our registered voters. Because we are democratic, we will allow some other people to get 1 or 2 here and there. You can see the youth. Because when people tell you that the youth are in one direction, ask them whether these ones are octogenarians. These are youths. You see the people who are dancing. The last time I checked, I can see people in the age bracket, within the age bracket of 18 and 35. That is the original youth. And here in Delta, we are very, very, very highly articulated. So it's either you are Okowa 5 or you are articulated in Delta. And so that's how we do it here in Delta, I can tell you.